Okay, let's get started here, guys. Okay, let's pause. I'm gonna show you the code right here to your right. There, this will be a graph that will show up at the end of the math, how I did it to calculate the gas and how expensive it would be. Here you can see the code. It's going to ask you a statement if you want to go an optimal route, a route that was already pre-programmed to be cheaper for the airplane company. If you click yes, it will take you down this optimal route, and then it will show you the miles it had between city and city while it was driving at the end of the route, right? If you had clicked no in the first statement, that's do you want to go an optimal route? Let's say you click no, then it would take you down here and it would ask you where would you like to go, what city you would like to go to, and there you could pick from what city to what city you wanted to go to, right? And it would just go in a loop from there. So let's click play so you can see what happens, right? Okay, so now you see, now it's gonna ask you, and let's click yes just for the heck of it, right? So now it will take you down this optimal route. It's going from city to city, pre-programmed, right? No problems, no hesitations, no nothing. It's all good up to now. Then when it gets to its final destination, it will show you the mileage that it went. All right, all good, all good. And then you click, let's click no. No right here. No. And then it will ask you, all right? And then you can pick whatever city you want. All right. So we're in New York, so let's go Washington. Beautiful, right? And then it will ask you the same thing again if you want to, so you pick a different city. But since I forgot to show you guys the first part, let's click. Oh my bad. Okay. So right here you can see the cost of the gas was this much, and then the mileage, so we multiplied, and then we got 284. So that was the part I forgot to show y'all from the beginning, from this part right here that you can see. How we got the calculation for how much gas was needed for how much actually how expensive gas was to do the optimal route basically. And yeah, that's the end of it. Thank you.